Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 7:31 a.m. Central Standard Time, showers with gusty winds were located along a line extending from near Mexico Beach to 44 nautical miles southwest of Empire Micah Wreck, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include O Tower, K Tower, Port St. Joe, South Tower, Empire Micah Wreck, Apalachicola, C Tower, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, and Mexico Beach. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to
I forgot I had this.